oh man, oh man. Back again with corrupt Fulton County. The judge should be removed, man. Hands behind your back, disbarred. For real, you guys. This is ridiculous, man. You know, you got caught, buddy. You're not trustworthy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Fulton County, man. It's known for its lies, stealing, tax-paying dollars. There's innocent people down there. People can't do their job. There's money sitting somewhere in a mattress off I-75 in Atlanta, Georgia. But we got a huge update, and I want to send a huge shout out to Jennifer for sending this over, and it's coming from Melanie King. And we're familiar with her. We've done a couple collabs with her on the channel and bought on the channel. But a link will be in the description box down below. And I hope everybody is blessed, well, healthy, and that nothing but the best is going on in all you beautiful people's life, man. You know, I told y'all we're gonna be covering everything, man. We're gonna show you everything that's going on and all the corruption and how corrupt it is. We're gonna call it for what it is, man. And now you see everybody waking up. You know, throw the whole case away. And salute to the true patriot, Brian Steele. He's finna be free. And the rapper, Young Thug. Throw the whole thing away, man. The world is watching, you know. And again, this is why cameras need to be in all the courtrooms. Show everybody what's going on. Show everybody what's going on. They should have had cameras in the Trump case, in the Trump trial. You know, just being honest with y'all, man. But we're living in some dark times, you guys. I'm always wishing the best in you guys' life, man. That you guys are blessed, well, healthy, man. And that 2024 and years to come are treating you well. That is treating your kids well, man. Because we don't know what tomorrow holds up. We don't know what's going to happen, man. This wokeness, this woke culture, I mean, it's just unraveled and bought down, destroyed a lot of stuff, man. And this thing is corrupt, y'all. Fulton County. Well, let's go and jump straight in. Enough of me yapping and yapping and yapping. I know some of y'all say, Rick, stop all that yapping. We know what's going on. Stop all that yapping, son. Let's go and jump straight in, y'all. We got some huge news, as you can see by the title.
Breaking news in the YSL case. We know that Ashleigh Merchant, one of Trump's co-defendants' attorney, she had to go in there and try to remedy the situation where this corrupt judge had that ex parte meeting.
And we showed y'all that in the last video, previous video.
And still the attorney for YSL, you know, he made his objections and he actually got held in contempt of court and was sentenced to jail, to do weekend jail, 20 days of weekend jail throughout the entire summer up till August. And he actually requested to do jail time with Young Thug. Well, Ashleigh Merchant and about 60 other lawyers showed up there to defend. It's an organization that helps defend defense attorneys down there in Georgia, and Ashleigh Merchant happens to be the president of this. So they filed a motion. If you haven't checked out my video where I actually go over the motion through Phil Holloway's channel, Inside the Law, which is on YouTube.
Yeah, that's an amazing channel, Inside the Law. But man, it's an amazing relationship between the rapper Young Thug and his lawyer Brian Steele. You know, he even shouted him out in a viral song that did like billions of streams, man. I think that song is like certified platinum or something, but he shouted out Brian Steele like 6 years ago. And now I understand. Now, you know. But you know, when you're that status of a rapper, you know, and you have that kind of money, you go get the best people. You go get the best people, the best lawyers, the best you can get. And they're gonna get you out of the hot seat. Oh yeah, they'll get you out that hot seat, man. But the judge got caught, man. Got caught, got in his feelings. It's a complete embarrassment, man. And you wonder why nobody has faith in the justice system no more, man. The legal system is just a complete embarrassment.
I have him linked, but this is his Twitter. And I told you guys you need to follow him. He keeps you up to date on what's going on in the cases there in Georgia, particularly in Fulton County. So there is this is one thing that I'm going to do on another video. Maybe we'll get to it where there has been a motion for the judge to recuse himself from the trial. But this is what we want. This is the meat and potatoes, folks. Okay, so remember they filed that motion basically to just spank this corrupt judge, and what he did, the ex parte meeting, trying to throw Brian Steele in jail, all of that. They basically filed this emergency motion of a bond hearing. Okay. And a bond hearing, when it comes to being held in contempt as an attorney, it's not like you have to pay bond, but you have to go to an appeals board, to a judge who can appeal and allow you to bond out, meaning you can get out. You don't have to go to jail while this is going to be heard, because he actually gets a whole separate hearing with another judge. The judge that holds you in contempt can't then be judge and jury and a witness, because this judge is actually a witness because he took part of the ex parte meeting, the illegal meeting between the prosecutor, the key witness, and the judge. So all three of them colluded and had this illegal meeting. So the judge is a witness, so he cannot then try to bully and then hold in contempt and sentence Brian Steele. Brian Steele gets a whole nother judge and a whole hearing outside of that judge. So of course we knew that this would go through, but what it looks like, free YSL Brian Steele, that he will not be going to jail. He has bonded out. Again, it's not money, but a judge said that he does not have to go to jail while this is heard before an actual appeals attorney, appeals judge, if that makes sense. Hopefully you guys are tracking, but it says Judge Glanville was wrong again. The Georgia Supreme Court has granted, okay, guys, has granted a supersedious bond staying his contempt order against Brian Steele, counsel for Young Thug. He was so certain and adamant that there was no way to appeal his order or to get an appeal bond. He didn't even know what type of contempt, if it was going to be civil or criminal. That this is how dumb this judge is. He didn't know the difference between criminal and civil contempt. I mean, he's just ridiculous.
Didn't earn it. Don't laugh, Rick. Stay professional. Do not get on here giggling, laughing. But DEI didn't earn it.
But we'll go ahead and read some of this. It says, the Honorable Supreme Court met pursuant to adjournment. The following order was passed in regarding Brian Steele. Movant Brian Steele appealed to the Court of Appeals a trial court's order holding him in criminal contempt. At the same time, he filed in the Court of Appeals an emergency motion for supersedious bond on criminal contempt. The Court of Appeals transferred that emergency motion to this court, citing State v. Murray. I'm not going to give all the citation, and noting that we have the ultimate responsibility for determining whether this court has appellate jurisdiction over the matter. Pretermitting, that's a new word for me. Pretermitting whether this emergency motion for supersedious or the related appeal fall within the court's jurisdiction over murder cases. Compare Gilliam versus State. We hereby grant a writ of certiorari. Okay, we're going to skip that. As to both the emergency motion and the appeal of the contempt order. When the appeal of the contempt order is docketed in the Court of Appeals is directed to transfer the appeal and record to this court. We further grant supersedious with respect to the trial court's order holding Steele in criminal contempt. Okay, as a result of enforcement of the trial court's order is stayed pending resolution of the appeal. So not only is his appeal going to go forward for this order of contempt, this criminal contempt, but he's also bonded out, meaning he does not have to do jail time. So there we go. I wanted to bring that to you guys. So it looks like
got in his feelings. We caught you, buddy. We caught you naked with your pants down, no drawers, a pair of flip-flops and some goggles. We caught you. We caught you trying to go skinny dipping. We caught you, buddy. Matter of fact, we caught you jumping in skinny. So you did go skinny dipping. We caught you, buddy. We caught you. Put your hands behind your back. Should be disbarred, man. Didn't earn it. Corrupt. And again, we're not surprised. Everybody knows that's watching today's video. We all know about Fulton County. We know. You know. And we still looking for Fannie G Willis mattress Willis. Where's the mattress at? We know it's off I-75. As soon as you get off I-75 in Atlanta, Georgia, we know where it's at, around the corner in the hood. We know where that mattress is at, man. We're gonna get that mattress though. We're gonna get the mattress.
YSL Steele, Attorney Steele will be free. This is all coming from that emergency motion. I will link it below. If you have not seen that video, or it will be right after this video, to actually watch as I react to Phil Holloway breaking down the actual emergency motion that that allowed this to be granted.
And shout out to Jennifer. She sent me that one too to check out and react to as well.
And so you're not going to want to miss this, because it tears a hole into this judge. I honestly, most legal minds have said they've never seen anything like this before. A lot of people believe that there is something going on.
It's something going on. Yeah. This whole year has been a complete disgrace. We've never seen anything like this before. Just look what's going on with the president. Just look what's going on with the president, man. They didn't come to find out the jury was on Facebook celebrating a day before the verdict was reached. We ain't never seen nothing like this, man. What does America come to, y'all? Somebody please answer in the comments. What has America come to? I know. Banana pudding. Banana peels. Y'all watch where y'all stepping when you walk outside. They making banana pudding, y'all. And that banana pudding tastes awful. You know, banana pudding usually good, you know. Your mama put extra, you know, put a foot in it. And she put that ice cream on top of it too. Oh. Hey, auntie used to put her foot in that banana pudding. It used to be so good. But this is not the banana pudding you want to eat. Kangaroos are jumping, high-fiving, boxing outside. They get real aggressive with people. Yeah, them kangaroos is mad, man. You know, I walked outside seeing a herd of them and I peed all over myself.
Some type of criminal activity. Something is going on with this judge that he's compromised. Not only that, but he's compromised the bench, that he will most likely be removed from the bench for doing this type of thing, along with other things in this trial. But this is the main thing you need to keep in mind. The Young Thug trial is going forward, but guess what, guys? It is an automatic reversal. Automatic reversal. As we can see here, let me go back quickly so I can show you this. I didn't read it all to you, but it says,
throw the whole case away.
Judge Glanville is wrong. A motion to recuse must be heard by another judge if it makes a prima facie showing that the judge's partiality is in question. The entire Young Thug trial is a waste of time and resources. We are deep into reversible error territory. It's over. It doesn't matter that this trial is going forward, guys. It's a waste of taxpayers' money. Ashleigh Merchant confirmed this as well. But this video that you see here, I'm going to bring...
A whole bunch of stuff has been a waste of taxpaying dollars this year. If we being completely honest, everything we've seen these last couple of months, corrupt, man.
bring it to you tomorrow, going over what happened with them trying to get him to recuse himself from this trial, and what the judge says and how this relates to it. And this is the actual there's an actual document, which is I gotta find it, but there I will go over the document as well, which is put forth to have him recuse himself. So guys, it's a lot going on. I just wanted to bring that to you. Down goes Glanville, down goes DA Fonnie Willis's office that thought they would get away with this criminal activity. Brian Steele does not have to go to jail. And now the judge is going to be examined by the Georgia Supreme Court. This is something you're going to want to grab your popcorn for. We're going to get into it more, so make sure you subscribe. And
I'll make sure y'all check out Melanie King. And I want to thank Jennifer for sending this over to me. Again, we're just trying to get the best resources, keep you guys updated to what's going on. Told y'all we're covering everything outside the box too, man. We're getting into all of it, showing all the corruption, man. It's bad out here. Bad. And again, it's live. It's caught live on camera. It should have had camera in the Trump trials. But we know why. We know why. We know why. Oh, we know why. Shout out to them beautiful patriots around the world, man. Bless you all and your families through these dark times that we're living in. More updates are to come, and I'll catch you beautiful people in the next one. Peace and love, y'all.